How to buy Zeus, the Zeus token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to visit or check the X account. Now, to be able to buy this token is available in the screener. So as you can see, this token is increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the liquidity here are locked to 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now this token is under Solana network. Now just copy the token address and go to your Bitget wallet. Now after that, make sure to select the Solana in network here. Now click on this plus button. Now here paste the token as you can see. This is our token. Just click on plus here. Now go back to your wallet as you can see. And this is our token, just click on it. Now click on swap to be able to buy it. Just click here to switch and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds and you will see how much you will receive of that token. So as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Just click on buy to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy this ZEUS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.